What's up, good people? So today I'm getting ready to go to church, and I just figured, I've never done a get ready with me for church video, so I would do that. So I'm going to start with primer. And I'm also just going to like moisturize a little. Okay. Then I'm going to put on some primer, actual like pore eraser. Just a little, because I really want to go for like a more natural look, if you will. I need to go. Sorry, my parents are like half deaf, so they left the TV going at a very loud thing, so I had to go turn that down. Do y'all like my new sign? I got it from Five Below. It was only $5, right? Awesome. So, which I had to get this because my nephew lost the remote to my other lights, my starry lights. He lost that remote. Don't know when. It's been a while though, but he lost it, and I just haven't like made it a priority to find it, so I should probably do that, but it'll come in time. All right, next I'm gonna go in with foundation. The one I'm using today is the Born This Way by Too Faced, and I'm in the color Chestnut. And I'm going to apply this with a brush and then blend it out with a sponge after I have applied it. Ooh. I feel like this is a little dark for me even in the summer, but I haven't been back to get color match since they released the like new shades, which I didn't color match for this one, but it was like just the closest one to my skin tone. So I need to go in and see what shade I might be now, because I like chestnut. I feel like it matches closely, but I just feel like now there's probably a better match for me. Alright, next I'm going to conceal. I'm going to be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer as well as my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So what is everybody's Sunday morning routine? Do you guys go to church? Do you watch it online? Are you not a church going person? Do you go to like Wednesday night services? Do you go to the morning service or the afternoon service? Do you go to Bible study? What do you guys do? I'm more of like a Sunday morning service, and then, believe it or not, I volunteer a lot with church. As far as like with our children youth programs, I do a lot of volunteer work with those. But honestly, like, do you ever get to a point where, and we have a really big church, so it takes a lot of manpower to make these programs happen, but we don't have as much manpower to make it happen. So it's less people doing more work, which sucks. But I mean, I think that's how it is at work too. Like, you have a handful of people who could carry the office if they needed to, and then you got others who are just existing. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using this Kat Von D powder, and I've been loving the ColourPop one as well. I just haven't used this one in a while, so I was like, let me give ColourPop a break and use this one. So I really liked it last night when I used it, so I was like, let me use it again today. Which of course I got all dressed up thinking I was going somewhere. Nope. Don't y'all hate when you waste an outfit or like a makeup look, a really good makeup look, on nothing? Like, you don't go anywhere except Instagram or Facebook. I don't know. such is life. Alright, so next I'm going to continue with the face and go ahead and do my blush. And see, where's my blush brush? This will work. And I'm using this one. It's from the Taraji collection with MAC. And I have no idea what the real name of it is, because it was part of that mix-up one, you know, that we won't talk about happened, but it happened. Oh, I should wear that highlight today. Alright, good people. So next, I think I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I should probably powder my face first. Should I? Yeah, we'll do that. I mean, you know, it's makeup. There are no rules. So I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Press Powder. This is in dark. Just looks like that. And I'm just going to set my foundation. So has anybody like heard of the law? I mean, a lot of people have heard of it. Does anyone know about the law of attraction? Like, how does it work? You know, do you feel like it works? Do you use it? What are your beliefs as far as it working? All right, I think I'm going to use the Soft Glam palette today because I haven't used this in a while. So I like ordered it when the Amruzi palette came out, the highlighter, and I was just like, yes, I have to have that. All right, so next I'm going to use this little powder. This is for primer. It's a powder primer that I got from Sephora one time, and it is so good, you guys. I don't know if they sell it anymore because I got it on sale. It was like $5, but there's such a difference when you use it with your makeup. Alright, so to start out, I'm going to go in with Sienna and Burnt Orange and just apply these to the crease. Let me take this brush out. Alright, then I'm going to go in with a little more of Burnt Orange and just a little bit of Rustic and apply this to the crease a little more, just to deepen it up. Alright, to deepen up the eyes a little, I'm just going to take a little bit of Cypress Umber and Rustic and apply those to my lash line. Alright, next I'm going to go in with a little bit of Glistening and Fairy and apply those to my actual lid. Alright, so next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I have been loving this Black Brown Pot or Black and Brown Pot by ColourPop. Don't know why, but that has just been like my go-to brow. So I'm going to use this Tarte Toasted palette because I don't have my other mirror, and I can talk about that. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with eyeliner and mascara, and I'm just going to tightline. I'm not going to do like a lot of eyeliner because, you know, we want to church people, so. Alright people, so I think the last thing I'm going to do is just add a highlighter, and this is Highlight Truth by MAC, and I'm going to use this little brush. Alright you guys, so this is the outfit that I wore to church today. I forgot to get it before we left because we were running late, thanks to my sister, but you know, we not gonna call no names. So this is what the makeup looks like. Like I said, super natural. And then my hair, I just curled a few pieces of it, which you probably can't see because of the ring light. Then I'm wearing this dress that I got from Just Fab a couple years ago, I think. And then these booties are, I'm pretty sure, from probably Charlotte Russe, honestly. And they're just super cute, and I think they're perfect for like spring, summer, and fall. So yeah, but thanks for watching.